Question number one. Question number one. One of the fundamental particles is missing in one of the isotope of hydrogen atom. The particle and isotope are respectively. Yes, you know very well, dear students, isotopes of hydrogen, that is protium 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. This is the protium. This is the protium. Deuterium, deuterium, tritium. Yes. If you see protium, protium is the 1H1, ZXA, Z is 1. Z1 means proton 1, electron 1. Mass number A equal to P plus N. Mass number 1 equal to proton 1 plus N. Then 1 minus 1 equal to N equal to 0. Number of neutrons are 0. Understood, dear students? Number of neutrons are 0. Atomic number 1, proton 1, electron 1. Number of neutrons are 0. Subatomic particle miss ho gaye na, one of the subatomic particle. Electron, proton, neutrons, major subatomic particle. So major subatomic particle, fundamental particles. So there is no neutron. Then what is the answer? Neutron and protium. Dear students, understood?
Sir, repeat.
Question. One of the fundamental particle is missing in one of the isotopes of hydrogen atom. The particle and isotope of the respective. Yes. Hydrogen isotope. Protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium atomic number 1, proton 1, electron 1. Okay, na atomic number 1 is this one, no, ZXA. Z is atomic number. Protons atomic number 1 is the proton 1, electron 1. A equal to P plus N. Mass number. Are mass number 1 yeah. Understood, right? This one is ZXA. Mass number 1. So A equal to P plus N. 1 equal to proton 1, 1 plus N. 1 minus 1 equal to N. 0 equal to N. No neutrons. Protium no neutron, you know. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the particle is a neutron. Then which isotope? Protium. Question number 2. Dear students, up to page number 23 theory completed. Up to quantum mechanical model theory completed. आप पढ़ाई करने वाले रहे. Right. The charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. What will be the value of charge on Na plus ion? Na plus ion. Na plus ion means sodium lose how many electrons? Sodium lose how many electrons? Na plus means sodium lose how many electrons? One electron. One electron means charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. One electron. One electron is lost. So 1 into 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19. For example, 2 electrons is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19. Like this. समझ में आया ना? Then what is the answer?
First.
Dear students, please be active in the class. Don't sleep. Please concentrate. Right. Question number 3. Which of the following is correct for cathode rays in discharge tube? Yes. If you see the theory from cathode rays, already आप पढ़ाई किया. Cathode rays, independent of the nature of the cathode. Yes. Cathode rays nature of cathode में dependent नहीं होते. Independent of the nature of the gas. Gas में dependent नहीं होते. अरे इधर एक hydrogen ले लो, helium ले लो, nature of the gas में dependent नहीं होते. Independent of the nature of the gas. Deflection is observed in presence of electric and magnetic field. That is also correct. Cathode rays. Cathode rays. Deflection is observed in presence of electric and magnetic field. अरे electric field है तो cathode rays which are started from cathode attracted towards to. अरे cathode rays having positive charge or negative charge? Tell me. Huh? Cathode rays which charge?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative charge. So cathode rays which is originated from negative charge, negative terminal, cathode, attracted towards to anode. So which is away from the cathode and towards to anode. So then all the above, all are correct. Next, the specific charge for a cathode ray. Good question, yaar. Very important. Theory पढ़ाई किया आपको? Specific charge. Sir, what is the specific charge? E by m. Cathode ray is nothing but electron. Charge of electron constant. Charge of mass of electron constant. So E by m constant. E by m is constant. पता है ना E by m? Specific charge of an electron E by m. Electron is nothing but cathode ray. And charge of electron is 1.602 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power of minus 31 kg. So if you are taking this one, 1.758 into 10 power of 11 coulomb per kg. So it is a constant. Next, has the smallest value when the discharge tube is filled with hydrogen? No, not small, not big value. E by m is always constant for cathode rays. The answer is second one. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5. The specific charge for positive rays is much less than the specific charge for cathode rays. Specific charge for positive rays is much less than the specific charge for cathode rays. Okay. Specific charge means E by m. Positive rays are positively charged. Charge on positive rays is less. Positive rays comprise ionized atom whose mass is much higher. Good question. I will explain this one. The specific charge for positive rays is much less than specific charge. E by m of positive rays is much less than specific charge for cathode rays. E by m of cathode rays. They are telling like this. अरे पॉजिटिव चार्ज की कैसे फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है? पॉजिटिव रेस comprise ionized atom whose mass is much higher. And one more thing, E by m positive rays, E by m cathode rays. Positive rays is nothing but E by m of positive rays is nothing but which rays? Tell me.
Anode.
Anode rays, good. Anode rays. Anode is nothing but either proton, है ना? Discovery of proton, है ना? E by m of proton is less than E by m of electron. Understood, dear students? Positive rays is nothing but anode rays, which are nothing but proton particles. Cathode rays is nothing but electrons. E by m, E same ring. Charge of electron same. Either negative, either positive. I don't know, no, that symbol only different. Magnitude is the same. But if you are taking mass, this one, 1.602 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. Mass of proton 1.67 into 673 into 10 power of minus 27 kg. इधर देखो 1.602 into 10 power of minus 19. This one 9.1 into 10 power of minus 31 kg. अरे 10 power of minus 31, 10 power of minus 27. This mass is more. 10 power of minus 27 more है ना? More mass means denominator ज्यादा हो गया तो resultant value कम हो जाती है. Then which is the answer? Positive rays comprise ionized atom whose mass is much higher. Yes, this mass is more when comparing with the electron. Less mass, more mass, less E by m. Less mass, more E by m. Dear students, समझ में आया this one?
Yes, sir.
अरे E by अरे positive rays is nothing but proton यार. Cathode rays is nothing but electron यार. E by m calculate किया. Charge same only. Mass ले लो. इधर less mass, more mass, less E by M. Less mass, more E by M. I am explaining very clearly. Any doubt? Same conceptual question. बताओ question number 6. If S1 be the specific charge of E by M cathode, this is the S1, E by M cathode, this one, this is the S1. S2 be the positive rays, S2 positive rays is nothing but this one, E by M. Then what is the relation S2 and S1? Page number 30, dear students, page number 30, atomic structure concept based question number 6. Any doubt? If S1 be the specific charge of cathode rays and S2 be that of the specific positive rays, then which is true? Cathode S1, anode S2, S2 S1 relation, which is more?
S1.
S1.
S1, S2 is less than S1. Next, good question. The massive particle among the following is, massive particle means which is more mass. Take a minute. Next, the massive particle among the following is, tell me, alpha particle, deuteron, proton, beta particle. Sir, what is alpha particle? Helium nuclide is the alpha particle. And what is the helium nuclide, sir? Alpha particle means 2He4, which can be written as helium 2 plus ion. Mass 4. Deuteron means deuterium, 1H2 deuterium. Proton means 1H1. Beta particle means -1 E0. And the mass 4, mass 2, mass 1, mass 0. Which is more mass? This one, massive particle. Then what is the answer?
Alpha.
Alpha particle.
Alpha particle. Alpha particle. Which of the following statements about the electron is incorrect? It is negatively charged particle, electron. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes.
Next. The mass of electron is equal to mass of neutron. That is wrong, Ray. Array, mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power of minus 31 kg. Mass of neutron equal to 1.675 into 10 power of minus 27 kg. Both are different, yeah. Mass different. समझ में आया? Any doubt? Next. So then that is the wrong statement. It is the basic constant of all atoms. Yes, that is correct. It is the constant of cathode rays. That is also correct. Electron is nothing but cathode rays, negative charge particle. So then which is incorrect statement? The mass of electron is equal to mass of neutron. Second one is the answer. Second one is the answer. Rohit, okay now?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा concentrate करो. Doubt है तो ask me. Okay? Abdul, understood?
Yes, sir.
Doubt. If you have any doubt, no problem. Ask me. Okay? Next.
Okay, sir.
Ernest Rutherford's model of the atom didn't specially include that. Good question. Arey Rutherford planetary model, they know only proton and electron. They don't know neutron, no? According to Rutherford planetary model or Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment, this is the center of the nucleus. This is the electron. Electron revolve on its own axis, at the same time revolve around the nucleus. This is the electron. Center of the nucleus, only positive part they told. Means that is the proton. They don't know neutron. And neutron was discovered, and neutron was discovered by which scientist? Chadwick, James Chadwick. So, Ernest Rutherford model of the atom didn't specially include that. Proton, no, proton include हो गया. Electron, yes. Nucleus, yes. Neutron, no. That's why ना Rutherford planetary model में radius of atom 10 power of minus 10 meter, radius of nucleus 10 power of minus 15 meter, which is given by Rutherford only. This is the radius of atom, this is the radius of nucleus. Almost 1 week हो गया रे theory चालू करके. So then which is the answer? Fourth one, neutron is not included. Question number 10. Question number 10. The conclusion of Rutherford scattering experiment does not include. Alpha particle can come within a distance of the order of 10 power of minus 14 meter of the nucleus. Roughly, correct है ना? Alpha particle come within the distance of atom. देखो, this is the radius of nucleus. This is the radius of nucleus. So this radius of nucleus, this one, almost इधर तक आते हैं. Almost इधर तक alpha particle passes right like this आते हैं. इधर आते हैं, इधर small deflections, very less alpha particle bounce back. Then radius of the nucleus कितने? Sorry. Then what is the statement? Alpha particle can come within a distance of the order of 10 power of minus 14 meter of the nucleus. Correct? The radius of the nucleus is less than 10 power of minus 14 meter. Correct na? Radius of the nucleus 10 power of minus 15 meter. 10 power of minus 15 meter. Radius of the nucleus means less than 10 power of minus 14 meter. 10 power of minus 14 meter ज़्यादा है when compared with 10 power of minus 15. Any doubt? Any doubt? Next.
No, sir.
Scattering follows Coulomb's law. Yes, opposite charges between attraction, same charges between repulsions. That's why now this is the center of the nucleus positive charge. Whenever alpha particle near to the nucleus, deflections are there because of alpha particle positive charge, center of the nucleus positive charge between repulsions. And third statement also correct. Scattering follows Coulomb's law. Correct. Next. The positively charged particle of an atom move with extremely high velocities. No. The positively charged particle of an atom move with extremely high velocity. No, not the positively charged particle of an atom means that is the proton. Proton velocity कैसे है? Electron moves around the nucleus with fixed certain velocities. Protons नहीं, then which is the wrong statement? Does not include, no? Understood, right? Rutherford planetary model में प्रोटॉन किधर सर्वाइव हो गया और किधर मूव हो गया यानी which is fixed positions in the center of the atom, that is the nucleus. Any doubt? So then which is not included? The positively charged particle of an atom move with extremely high velocity, that is not included. Then answer is fourth one, that is incorrect statement, not included. Dear students, anybody tell me this question number 11. A neutral atom with atomic number greater than 1 consists of. For example, hydrogen level. Hydrogen consists of hydrogen. What is the nuclear formula of hydrogen? Nuclear formula of hydrogen one H1. 1H1 means this is the symbol ZX. Z equal to 1, proton equal to 1. Okay, A equal to 1. A means this one 1. Then P plus N equal to 1. 1 plus N equal to 1. N equal to 1 minus 1, 0. So the hydrogen only proton and electron, no neutron this one. But more than one, either helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, you can take any nuclei which having proton, neutron, electron, proton, electron. Dear students, understood? Understood or not? In the long form periodic table, without neutron containing element is the hydrogen, protium. समझ में आया? प्रियंका अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Right. Tejas understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, problem number 12. Problem number 12. The ratio between the neutrons present in carbon atom and silicon atom with mass number. Carbon and silicon. Carbon and silicon with mass numbers given. Carbon and silicon with mass numbers given. Neutron ratio they are asking. 6C12, 14 silicon 28. Okay. This is the carbon atomic number 6, silicon atomic number 14, mass number 12, this is 28. And this is the Z value 6 here. Z6 means proton 6, electron 6. A equal to P plus N. A value कितना है? 12, mass number. Proton 6, 6 plus N. 12 minus 6 equal to N. 8 equal to N. Number of neutrons are N. Next. Either Z equal to 14. Z equal to 14. Proton 14. Electron 14. A equal to 28. A means P plus N equal to 28. 14 plus N equal to 28. N equal to 28 minus 14. Then 14. Number of neutron equal to 14. Okay?
So N is equals to 6 आएगा.
Six neutron.
Sorry, 6. Either 6 either 14 है ना? Right. Understood? So what they asked in the problem? In carbon atom and silicon atom with mass number given, ratio between the neutrons. Ratio between the neutrons is a 6 and 14 ratio. 6 and 14 means 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Then which is the answer?
Second option.
Second option. Second option is the correct. Next. How many elements have non-integral masses? This is because. Good question. Many elements have non-integral masses. Non-integral masses. This is because their isotopes have different atomic number. Their isotopes have different masses. Their isotopes have non-integral masses. A simple logic here. Isotopes which have different masses, we can take 6C12 or 6C13 or 6C14, different masses. Because of these different masses, many elements have non-integral masses. Okay. Any doubt? Next. Among the following, which is not isoelectronic with others? Isoelectronic with others. Check karo, dear students. Isoelectronic means same number of electrons. Isoelectronic. Question number 14. Among the following, which is not isoelectronic with others? HF, H2O, NH3, CO. अरे HF है तो hydrogen 1 electron, fluorine 9, 10 electron. 2 hydrogens 2 electron, 1 oxygen 8, 10 electron. Nitrogen 7, 3 hydrogen 3. Carbon 10. Carbon atomic number 6, 6 electrons. Oxygen atomic number 8, 8 electrons. 6 plus 8, 14. So this is not isoelectronic. This is the isoelectronic. Dear students, understood? Any doubt? Isoelectronic means pieces which have same number of electrons. These are called isoelectronic. Next, tell me next. Set of isoelectronic ions among the following is. Among the following is first one Na plus Cl minus O minus 2. Are Na plus sodium atomic number 11. 11 plus 1 means lose 1 electron. 11 minus 1 10. Chlorine 17, gain 1 electron, 18. Oxygen 8, gain 2 electron, 10. This is not IC electron. 10, 18, 10, not IC electron. Any doubt? Manoj, okay now? Question number, option 2, K plus Ca plus 2, F minus. Potassium atomic number 19, 19 minus 1, 18 electron. Calcium 20, 20 minus 2, 18 electron. Fluorine 9, gain 1 electron, 10 electron. This is not isoelectronic. Species which have same number of electrons is called isoelectronic. Third option, Cl minus K plus S minus 2. Cl minus 17 gain 1 electron, 18. 19 lose 1 electron, 18. Sulfur 16. 16 minus 2 means gain 2 electron, 18. Isoelectronic. समझ में आया dear students? That's why I told clearly, everybody should complete theory. Whatever I discussed theory, you should complete first. Complete करके आ गए तो these all questions are easy. 3 days before complete हो गए अरे. Any doubt? Rohit?
Sir, repeat again.
Rohit understood? Samruddhi understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Electromagnetic radiation concept. Good question. Yeah. All types of electromagnetic radiation possess same. Good question. Electromagnetic radiation. Sir, what are electromagnetic radiation? Discuss KRM. What are electromagnetic radiation? The propagation of radiation which are perpendicular to both electric and magnetic field. Electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation travels with which velocity? Light velocity. Light velocity. देखो notebook में देखो discuss किया. Light velocity. All electromagnetic radiations travels with same velocity. That is the light velocity. Velocity when they pass through vacuum. Which is fourth one. 16. Understood, Ray? 16. Electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic spectrum. The arrangement of electromagnetic radiation in order to either increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Tell me, cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV, visible, IR, micro, TV, radio. These are the electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiation from down. Wavelength increases. Cosmic to radio wavelength increases. Frequency decreases. Then tell me the radiation having maximum wavelength is
Radio waves.
Radio waves. Next, 18. Electromagnetic radiations, which of the following has greater wavelength than visible light? Then visible light, which is more wavelength?
IR rays.
IR. Yeah, this is visible here. This is IR. Visible से IR ज़्यादा है. Then IR is the answer. IR means infrared. Active participation होना चाहिए from your end. Then easy are the questions. Good. Next. The product of which of the following is equal to velocity of light? Velocity of light. And we know very well. mu equal to c by lambda. C is the velocity of light. C equal to mu into lambda. Then what is the answer? Question number 19. What is the answer?
Second option.
Second option. The product of which of the following is equal to velocity of light? Yes, velocity of light. Mu is the frequency, lambda is the wavelength. Product of mu and lambda. Wave characteristics में this formula discuss किया ना? Discussed or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. अब क्या करते हैं फिजिक्स है तो फिजिक्स एकदम ओनली और स्टडीइंग केमिस्ट्री है तो केमिस्ट्री नॉट डू लाइक दैट डोंट डू लाइक दैट Next. Question number. Prachi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 20. Question number 20. Which of the following relates to photons both as wave motion and as a stream of particles? This is a photon or quanta. Planck's quantum theory में discuss किया ना? According to Planck's quantum theory of radiation, this radiation is associated with energy which is called radiant energy. Radiant energy is not continuous, discontinuous in the form of small packets or quanta or photon. Its energy is directly proportional to frequency. Then if you remove the proportionality, H equal to h nu. 1 h nu, 2 h nu, 3 h nu. This is the h nu. H nu is the quanta or photon. Then what is the answer?
Fourth option.
Fourth option. Good question. Next question also देखो. The photoelectric emission from the surface starts only when the light incident upon the surface has certain minimum. Certain minimum क्या होना चाहिए?
Frequency.
Frequency. The frequency is called?
Threshold.
Yes, absolutely correct. Threshold frequency. The minimum frequency required to ejection of electron from the metal surface when suitable radiation of light strike on it. Good. Frequency. समझ में आया dear students? This one is threshold frequency. This is the surface. Suitable radiation strike on this metal surface. Electrons are ejected. These are the electrons. Electrons are ejected. This is the incident frequency. This is the threshold frequency. Minimum frequency required to ejection of electron. A surface ejects electron when hit by a green light, but not when hit by a yellow light. Will electrons be ejected? The surface is hit by a red light. Green, yellow. A surface ejects electron when hit by a green light. This is the green. Electrons are ejected. Ejected. But not yellow light. Yellow light से electron eject नहीं होते. अरे VIB GYOR. Okay. इधर क्या है? Left to right wavelength increases, frequency decreases. So green and yellow, which is more frequency?
Green.
More frequency, that's why electrons are ejected. Yellow is the less frequency, that's why electron not ejected. Orange, less frequency. Understood? Left to right frequency decreases. Then ejection of electron, is it possible? Not possible.
No.
I understood or not? देखो, a surface ejects electron when hit by green light, but not when hit by yellow light. Means green light hit किया तो electrons are ejected. Yellow light hit किया तो क्या हो जाते? Sir, green से yellow wavelength is more, frequency is less. अरे less frequency है तो कैसे electrons eject हो जाते? Not possible. It should be more frequency. Then only electrons are ejected. समझ में आया मैडम?
Yes, sir.
So even orange also not possible. No electron ejected from the metal surface. Even red.
No.
If the surface is hit by a red light also both come frequencies. Then no ejection of electron. Then what is the answer?
Second option.
Then what is the answer? बताओ ना 22.
Second option, sir.
Second option. Good question. Next, kinetic energy of photoelectron is independent on dash of incident radiation. That day theory में discuss किया रे. Kinetic energy depend on incident frequency. Independent on intensity of incident radiation. Then what is the answer?
Fourth.
फोर्थ वन, ग्राफ में भी डिस्कस किया ना, ग्राफ आल्सो डिस्कस किया. देखो, photoelectric effect, kinetic energy is directly proportional to incident frequency. Kinetic energy independent on intensity of light or radiation. Then intensity answer. Question number 24. The best evidence that electrons are arranged in a definite orbits or energy levels is based on the observation that atomic spectra consist of discrete lines and not continuous bands. I will explain the students this one lesson carefully. The best evidence that electrons are arranged in a definite orbits or energy levels is based on observation. If you take any atom, hydrogen spectrum discuss किया ना, dear students, listen, hydrogen spectrum discuss किया ना.
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen spectrum, different spectral lines are having same wavelength or different wavelength.
299.
अरे, in hydrogen spectrum, all spectral lines have same wavelength or different wavelength.
Different.
Different wavelength. अरे, Lyman series UV, Balmer visible, Passion near IR, bracket mid IR, Efant far IR, Humphrey far IR. Different wavelengths. Different wavelengths is nothing but, is it continuous spectrum or discontinuous spectrum?
Discontinuous.
Discontinuous spectrum. Good. Continuous spectrum means those spectral lines which have same spectrum. Next, hydrogen spectrum, is it atomic spectrum or molecular spectrum?
Atomic.
Atomic spectrum. अरे देखो ना theory, hydrogen molecule subjected to electric discharge to hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom atomic number 1, that electron present in the ground state energy level. So hydrogen atom, this one, atomic spectrum. This atomic spectrum, is it line spectrum or band spectrum? Line spectrum only. अरे band spectrum है तो complete band. These spectral lines which have same wavelength. Again, this spectral line having same wavelength. This is the band spectrum. Atomic spectrum is the line spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum ko wavelengths are different. Molecular spectrum is the band spectrum. Molecules, group of molecule. Molecule means group of atoms. Atomic lines are like this. That is the molecular spectrum. So then this first one will answer now. Hydrogen spectrum. The atomic spectra consist of discrete lines and not continuous bands. Yes. This hydrogen spectrum is not continuous bands. Discontinuous bands. Different wavelengths. That is the discontinuous. So what is my final conclusion, dear students? Hydrogen spectrum is atomic or line spectrum with discontinuous spectrum. समझ में आया ना? Any doubt?
No, sir.
That is the best evidence that electrons are arranged in a definite orbits or energy levels. Yes, different energy levels. Different energy levels. Otherwise, only one energy level है तो that is called single spectrum होता है, not discontinuous lines. ये पढ़ाई करने वाले student, dear students, please whenever complete the theory, that day only आप पढ़ाई किया तो, then while discussing question आपको clarity आते है. मेरा क्लास हो जाता है, आपका बुक बंद हो जाता है, फिर again in my next class only you are opening the books. Next, the band spectrum is caused by, yes, now only I told you, sir, band spectrum. Dear students, line spectrum is atomic spectrum. Band spectrum is the molecular spectrum. Molecular spectrum. Line spectrum, different wavelengths, different. We are same wavelength. Same wavelength. Then what is the answer? The band spectrum is caused by atoms or molecules?
Molecules.
Molecules. Good. 26. Hydrogen spectrum from an incandescent source of hydrogen is. And hydrogen spectrum is an emission band spectrum and emission line spectrum.
Line spectrum.
Emission line spectrum or absorption line spectrum?
Absorption.
किधर observe किए मैडम? Electron jumps from any height to first energy level, lower energy level, high Lyman series. Any height to second, Balmer series. Any height to third, Pascal series. Electron jumps from high energy level to lower energy level. That is it emission or absorption?
Emission.
Emission.
समझ में आया ना? Madam, understood? Okay, right. No problem, madam. Good. Whether right or wrong, tell me यार. Discuss करेंगे क्या इसमें? Okay, right. So, hydrogen spectrum is the line spectrum, discontinuous spectrum, emission spectrum, not absorption spectrum. Okay. Dear students, try to participate in the discussion. Huh? 27. Transition of electron from N cell to K cell results in the emission of good question. So, this is the K cell, this is the L cell, this is the M cell. K, L, M. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third. The transition of electron from M cell to K cell, M cell to K, M to K. M to K means 3 to 1. Are 3 to 1 transition is the which transition? Is it Lyman series or Balmer series?
Lyman.
देखो क्वेश्चन में दिया ट्रांजिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम m cell to k cell. m to k means 3 to 1. Electron jumps from any higher energy level to first energy level. The group of spectral lines is called Lyman series. Lyman series observed in UV region, ultraviolet. Then what is the answer?
Ultraviolet rays.
Ultraviolet. Ultraviolet. Good. Okay, ultraviolet. Any doubt? Next, which of the following transitions is associated with color spectral line? Color spectral line means which region? Tell me. Color region. Which region? Visible region. UV, visible, IR, different electromagnetic radiation region is there, no? Color which region? Visible region. Visible region means which series?
Balmer.
Means which series? Balmer series. Balmer series means electron jumps from any higher energy level to N2 to N1. Here N1 is second energy level. So then which is the answer?
4 to
Second
2.
option.
4 to 2. 4 to 2 is the answer. 4 to 2 means then which is the answer? Second one. समझ में आया, dear students?
Sir, repeat again.
Sure, definitely. Yeah. Which of the following transition is associated with colored spectral line? Colored spectral line. Color. Color arises due to which region? Visible region. Visible region means Balmer series. Balmer series means electron comes from any height to second energy level. Second energy level. 4 to 2 spectral line. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना? Right. Good. थोड़ा concentrate करो रे. Isha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Values of N1 and N2 for H beta spectral line in the hydrogen emission spectrum. And one more thing, dear students, if they are asking H alpha, H beta, H gamma means, if they are not mentioned means you should take visible region. Visible, this is the visible means N1, N2. Visible region means which series? Balmer series. In Balmer series N1 to N2 value 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is H alpha, this is the H beta, this is the H gamma, this is the H delta. Then which transition, tell me? Which of the values of N1 and N2 for spectral line in the hydrogen emission spectrum? H beta line. H beta line means then what is the answer? H beta means 4 and 2. 4 and 2. N2 to N1. 4 to 2. N1 2, N2 4. Then what is the answer? Dear students, understood?
Yes, sir.
While simply they are giving without mentioning H alpha, H beta, H gamma means you should take visible region. Visible region spectral lines can observe. Visible region means Balmer series. N1, N2. N1, 2 only. N2, H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, say like this. H beta means 4 to 2. 4 to 2. N2, 4, N1, 2. Any doubt? Next. Rydberg constant. Rydberg constant formula. 2 pi square m z square e power of 4 h cube c. देखो 2 pi square m z square e power of 4 h cube c. Z change. This is the Rydberg constant. Actually, this is the Rydberg constant. Overall value. Z is atomic number. Atomic number change हो गया तो Rydberg constant change होता है. Understood? Otherwise, 2 pi square m e power of 4 h cube c into z square. Actually, this value is 109677. Okay, into z square. Hydrogen atom atomic number 1. That's why 109677. But other than hydrogen, if you are taking helium, lithium, beryllium, z value change. Z change हो गया तो पूरा value change हो जाता है. So Rydberg constant is different for different elements. Any doubt? This is the Rydberg constant formula 2 pi square m z square e power of 4 h cube c. This total value is this value. Z value hydrogen 1. इधर hydrogen 1. So hydrogen का problem नहीं. But other than hydrogen change किया तो Z change हो जाता है. That constant value change हो जाता है. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? So Rydberg constant is different for different elements. The value of the total energy of an electron in the hydrogen atom is given by the value of the total energy formula minus Z square by 2R, right? Then what is the answer? Hydrogen atom Z1 minus C square by 2R. समझ में आया ना? Total energy equal to minus Z square by 2R. So then minus Z value 1 minus C square by 2R. समझ में आया ना? Gayatri, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right. Kaumidi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. The ratio between potential energy and the total energy of an electron in hydrogen atom. Potential energy formula minus Z square by R. Kinetic energy formula Z square by 2R. Total energy formula minus Z square by 2R. They are asking the ratio between potential energy and total energy. Potential energy minus Z square by R cancel. Potential energy and total energy. This is the 1:1 by 2. Then 2:1. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? This one, potential energy, total energy. Potential energy minus Z square by R. This one minus Z square by 2R. Z square by R, Z square by R cancel, minus minus cancel, 1:1/2, 2:1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. Problem number 33. The equation corresponding to the wave number of spectral line in the bracket series. Bracket series. Wave number. Array wave number. Mu bar equal to Rydberg equation. Mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to R into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square centimeter inverse. Mu bar equal to R into Z square. Z means hydrogen 1. Diamond, Barman, passion, bracket. Bracket का N1 value क्या है? बताओ ना. 4 square. So N1 is 4, N2 is 5, 6, 7 like this. So N2 you can substitute either 5 or 6 or 7, 8 like this. And which is the answer?
Second option.
Second option. Any doubt? Sir, I don't know bracket series. अरे discuss किए यार हम. Any doubt, dear students? Next. 34. The wavelength of spectral line for an electronic transition is inversely related to. Wavelength of spectral line inversely relation to. और wavelength and energy inversely proportional है ना? E equal to h nu. Nu equal to c by lambda. H c by lambda. H constant, c constant, lambda. E and lambda inversely proportional. Wavelength inversely proportional to energy. Then answer is the difference in energy level involved in the transition. Yes, difference in energy level is nothing but wavelength. E2 minus E1 delta E है ना, which है ना? E or delta E रहती है ना? Either E2 minus E1 equal to E1 minus E2 equal to delta E. Delta E equal to H or E equal to H. Direct theory में part theory question है देखो. Completed? Next. Dear students, listen carefully. This point important, dear students, listen carefully. N increases, orbit number increases, energy increases, radius also increases. Orbit number increases, radius increases, energy increases. Velocity. Velocity formula 2 pi Z square by NH. So velocity B and N inversely proportional. That's why velocity decreases. Velocity decreases means kinetic energy decreases. Then potential energy. This point very important, dear students. Dear students, understood? N increases, radius of nth orbit increases. Sir, why? Radius means N square H square by 4 pi square mz E square. R and N directly proportional. N increases, R increases. Sir, energy of nth orbit minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 by N square S square. Sir, N and E inversely proportional, sir. N increases, E decreases. No, the negative sign is there. N increase, generally N increases, E decreases, but negative sign. That's why increases. Dear students, समझ में आया ना? Any doubt? N and V, N increases, V decreases. So orbit number increases, V decreases. Velocity decreases, kinetic energy decreases. decrease. Kinetic energy decrease definitely potential energy increase because net energy constant होना चाहिए. These are stationary orbits. Stationary orbits should be fixed energies. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So the question देखो, delta E value is maximum. Delta E value maximum. Good question here. Dear students, delta E value maximum. E2 minus E1 more than E3 minus E2 like this. Sir, why? I will explain. Energy of enthalpy formula क्या है? Minus 13.6 into Z square by N square. First orbit है तो 1 square. 1 square है तो क्या हो जाते? Minus 13.6 into Z value 1, N value 1. So energy of first orbit is minus 13.6. Energy of second orbit means 1 square by 2 square. Minus 13.6 by 4. Minus 13.6 by 4 कितने? Minus 3.4 है ना? So this is the E2. E2. This is the E1. E1. E2 minus 3.4. E1 minus 13.6. Then क्या हो जाता है this one? Minus 3.4 plus 13.6. Then 10.2. Dear students, understood? सर E3 फाइंड आउट करो. अरे E3 क्या हो जाते हैं? 13.6 into Z square 1 this by 9 minus 13.6 by 9. 9 है तो क्या हो जाते हैं this one? Minus 13.6 by 9. 9 1 to 9 4 46 1.5 for this one. E3 is 1.54 minus 1.54 minus 1.5. Difference कितना हो जाते हैं? Minus 1.54 minus of 4 means minus 3.4 minus of minus plus minus 1.54 plus 3.4. कितना है difference? Definitely less value है ना? 3.4 minus 1.54. 3.4 minus 1.54. 6 4 13 13 5 8 this one 2.86. So this is 13 10.2 this one 2.86. ज़्यादा value है ना this one? Understood?
Yes, sir.
सर कैलकुलेशंस क्यों करते सर? डायरेक्टली आपको डायरेक्ट क्यों रहे? एक बार कैलकुलेट करो क्या इसमें? समझ में आएगा? So E2 minus E1 is the more energy. This point very important. Dear students, लिखो. Thirty-six. Diffraction of the electron beam is an evidence of the fact that diffraction हो गया means electron diffraction means which is wave characteristic. Wave characteristics. Light has wave properties. Okay now? Electron beam rate. 37. Wave properties are only important particles having wave characteristics, electron, proton, neutron like this. So these are having low mass and high velocities. Important this one. Wave properties are only important particles having important particles means wave carry electron, proton. Electron, proton का velocity ज़्यादा है, mass कम है, low mass and high velocity. Thirty-eight. Which of the following is responsible to rule out the existence of a definite path or trajectories of electrons? Heisenberg uncertainty principle रहे. अरे Heisenberg uncertainty principle पढ़ा ही किया ना? It is impossible to determine exact position and movement of electron accurately and simultaneously. At a time, we can't predict velocity and position of an electron out of the existence of the definite path. That is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Theory में पहले discuss किया था अपने also. So okay, these are the concept based questions from structure of atom. What we discussed theory, right? Quantum mechanical model we are not discussing. No? Okay, next. Level 1, page number 34. Level 1. Level 1, page number 34, level 1. Next. Which of the following is not a fundamental particle? Tell me. Which of the following is not a fundamental particle?
Alpha particle.
Yes, alpha particle is not a fundamental particle. Electron, proton, neutron, fundamental. Good. Magnitude of deflection of cathode rays in discharge tube is more when? Definitely cathode rays deflect हो जाते हैं. Magnitude of charge of the particle is more. Yes, more charge, more deflection. Greater the interaction with the electric or magnetic field. Correct. Less mass of the particle. अगर mass less हो गया तो velocity ज़्यादा हो जाता. Then all the above. Understood, Ray? Magnitude of deflection of cathode rays in discharge tube is more. Cathode rays deflection कब ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं? Charge ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. More charge means more deflection. More interaction with electric or magnetic field. Less mass. Less mass means more velocity, more deflection. So then all the above. Good question. Third question, who will explain? Dear friends, tell me, anybody tell me? Third question. The constancy of E by M ratio for electrons was that. Are electron E by M already fixed value? Electrons are universal particles of all matter. All matter means in all elements. Correct है ना? You can take sodium ले लो, potassium ले लो, magnesium ले लो. Electron only electron charge कितने हैं? 1.602 into 10 power of minus 19. Mass कितने हैं? 9.1 into 10 power of minus 13. AC. Its value 1.758 into 10 power of 11 coulomb per kg. मतलब roughly 1.76 into 10 power of 11 coulomb per kg. Coulomb per kg. Abdul, understood?
Yes, sir.
So the E by M value of electron is कितने? 1.76 into 10 power of 11 coulomb per kg. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? Second one. When the speed of the electron increases, the specific charge. Good question. Good question. अरे specific charge formula E by M. अरे speed increase हो गया तो speed increases. Speed increases means mass. When the speed of the electron increases, the specific charge. Good question. क्या बोल देते हैं? Speed increases, then mass what happened? Decreases. Less mass. Less mass means E by M.
More.
More. Then second one answer. Understood, right? E by M है ना? E by M है ना? अरे speed of velocity increases means mass decreases यार. Less mass means more E by M. So E by M increases. Answer wrong given, right? Don't worry, हाँ? समझ में आया ना, dear students? अरे डिनोमिनेटर कम हो गया तो रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू बढ़ जाते हैं ना. Any doubt? Increases. The nature of anode rays depend upon. Cathode rays है तो गैस में डिपेंड नहीं होते, but anode rays definitely depends on filled in the gas of discharge tube. Nature of gas filled in the discharge tube. Nature of anode rays depend upon nature of gas filled in the discharge tube. Then what is the answer? First one. E by m value of proton. अरे प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन E by m डिस्कस किया ना. E by m of proton, E by m of proton, E by m of electron less than है ना. क्योंकि इधर मास क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्जेस इक्वल, इधर मास इज 1.67 into 10 power of minus 27, इधर क्या है 9.1 into 10 power of minus 31. Denominator more value, denominator less value. More value means resultant coming. इधर less value means resultant more. Understood, dear students? Any doubt? Both are same numerator. Then denominator will depend on that. Less denominator, resultant more. So E by m value of proton is less than E by m value of electron. Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Tell me next one. 8th question बताओ ना. So 7th one का answer first one. 8th question. In Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment, the alpha particles are detected using screen coated with which one?
Zinc sulfide.
Zinc
Zinc
sulfide.
sulfide screen. Good. Theory directed. Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment shows that first time that the atom has which one?
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Nucleus. Good. 10th one. When alpha particles are sent through the thin metal foil, most of them go straight line through the foil because
Most of the atom is empty.
yes, most of the alpha particle passes through straight line direction due to most of the atom empty. If there is no empty space, कैसे travel हो जाता है, कैसे जाती? Good. Question number 11. For the atomic radius of the order of 10 power of minus 8 centimeter and nuclear radius of the atom is 10 power of minus 13 centimeter. The fraction of atom occupied by question number 11. For the atomic radius of the order, okay, don't confuse. There, I think maybe wrong area. Radius of atom कितने tell me directly बताओ. Radius of the atom 10 power of minus 10 meter. Means 10 power of minus 8 centimeter. Okay, 10 power of minus 8 centimeter given in this one. Radius of the nucleus 10 power of minus 15 meter. 10 power of minus 15 meter into, this is the nucleus. But atom is a spherical. Circular pattern. Circular volume is a 4/3 pi r cube. So that's why 10 power of minus 15 into 4/3 pi r cube. This is in meters. 10 power of minus 13 centimeter into 4/3 pi r cube. बता सकता है, but इधर मेंशन नहीं किया, इधर मीटर्स में सेंटीमीटर्स में नहीं दिया. If you want to answer in centimeter, first one. If you want to answer in meters, third one. Understood, Ray? Dear students, understood? This is the radius of nucleus. This is the radius of atom. Radius of nucleus 10 power of minus 15 meter. Radius of the atom 10 power of minus 10 meter. This is the radius of atom, radius of nucleus. Nucleus with respect to nucleus कितना ज्यादा है means this much volume ज्यादा है. This much means circle volume. Circle volume कितना है 4/3 pi r cube. That's why 10 power of minus 15 into 4/3 pi. That is in meters. Understood, Ray?
Yes, sir.
Right. थोड़ा क्लास होने के बाद देखे तो आपको भी क्लियर कर दें. Atomic number and mass number. Concept. Question number 12. The lightest radioactive isotope in periodic table is good question here. Good question this one. Isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium is the 1H1, deuterium is the 1H2, tritium is the 1H3. Protium, no neutron. Neutron. This is the radioactive and lightest isotope. Lightest isotope. This is the deuterium, you know this one, deuterium. Heavy water isotopes. So the answer is tritium. Question number 13. Isotopes exhibit similar. Isotopes exhibit similar. 6C12, 6C14, for example, is there. Atomic number same. Atomic number same means electron same. Electron same means same chemical properties. Mass number different. Mass number different है तो physical properties definitely different. Isotopes exhibit similar chemical properties. समझ में आया ना? Fourteen, tell me. Isobars. Tell me, 14. What are isobars?
Same mass number.
Both C and D है ना? Isobars means same atomic number, different mass number. Then which is the answer? 14.
Third option.
The hydrogen is isoelectronic with hydride ion. Hydride ion means H minus. H minus is isoelectronic with helium. H minus is electron. Hydrogen one minus one means gain one electron. Helium also 2 electron. 2 electron, 2 electron. Same electron. H minus and helium. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? Next. Question number 16. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding electromagnetic spectrum? Regarding electromagnetic spectrum. देखो dear students, cosmic, gamma, X, UV, visible, IR, micro, TV, radio. Down this one, wavelength, down the wavelength increases, frequency decreases. The frequency decreases. Okay. velocity also increases. Down, the velocity increases. Velocity. Then tell me. Tell me, Nick. 16. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding electromagnetic spectrum? The velocity of X-ray is more than that of microwaves. This is the X. This is the micro. X-ray more velocity they are telling. No. Down that one. Down वैसे down क्या हो जाता है? Velocity increases. That's why micro more velocity than X-rays. Then first statement only wrong statement. समझ में आया रे?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The radiation with the highest wave number. एक मिनट वो भी लिखेंगे. Wave number relation क्या है? E equal to h nu. H nu means h nu. Hc by lambda. 1 by lambda. E equal to hc nu bar. Nu bar. The energy decreases. Nu bar decreases. Then the radiation with the highest wave number.
X-ray.
Yes, X-rays. X-ray top है ना, top है तो more wave number, down आ गया तो decrease हो जाता है. Yes. Next, the energy of photon is inversely proportional to
Wavelength.
energy equal to hc by lambda. So, dear students, from cosmic ray to radio rays, wavelength increases, frequency decreases, velocity increases, energy decreases, wave number decreases. समझ में आया ना? Please write down that point. Write down.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 में फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करना.
The velocity of X-ray is more than that of microwaves. Down क्या हो जाते हैं? Velocity?
डिक्रीजेस.
No, increases.
अच्छा हाँ सर, हाँ समझा.
Question number 19. Planck's constant. (6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joules second है ना? अरे then what is the answer? Direct question यार. Second one है ना? 19. Next, question number 20. The ratio of energy to frequency of electromagnetic radiation is called Planck's constant. E equal to h nu. E by nu equal to h. Question number 20 answer.
Work
Question
function.
number 20. Planck's constant है ना? Any doubt? 21. The minimum energy required to eject an electron from an atom is called
Work function.
work function. In photoelectric effect, the number of photoelectrons emitted is proportional to ejection of electron directly proportional to intensity of radiation. Kinetic energy directly proportional to incident radiation. Ejection of electrons. Ejected electron. डिस्कस किया यार, देखो theory. हाँ? Kinetic energy directly proportional to frequency, incident frequency. Then what is the answer? 22.
Intensity.
Intensity of incident beam. Yes, first one. Photoelectric effect, the number of photoelectrons emitted is proportional to intensity of incident beam. 23. The kinetic energy of the ejected electrons in photoelectric effect is kinetic energy directly proportional to incident frequency. समझ में आया ना? 23 okay?
Yes.
Next, photoelectric effect is not observed in the case of magnesium. Photoelectric effect observed in potassium, rubidium, cesium, highly electropositive metals. Can't observe in magnesium. 25. अरे direct questions बताओ यार. The spectrum with all wavelengths may be.
Continuous spectrum.
Yes. Line spectrum is characteristic of
Atoms.
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 atoms. Good. Atoms cannot give
Band spectrum.
Band spectrum.
molecules can give band spectrum. Atoms cannot give. Okay. 28. Hydrogen line spectrum provides evidence for energy levels in a quantized nature of atomic energy states. Means orbits in a energy levels in a first, second, higher energy level like that. Okay now. Dear students, okay. 29. RH is Rydberg constant and the energy of an electron in the ground state of hydrogen atom. Good question here. Good question here. Good question this one. RH Rydberg constant. Energy of nth orbit equal to minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon n square h square. Energy equal to h cube c. Are Rydberg constant formula? Tell me, anyone tell me Rydberg constant formula. R equal to, अरे बताओ यार, R equal to, देख के बताओ यार.
Two pi square mz square e raised to 4 by h cube
2
c.
pi square mz square e power of 4 upon
h cube c.
इधर ऑर्बिट नंबर 1 रही. फॉर एग्जांपल E1 है तो 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square. Then what is the relation between hydrogen है तो this one. This is for hydrogen. Hydrogen है तो z value 1 n value 1. Okay. 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 h cube c. Then we want क्या चाहिए हमको? Energy of electron in the ground state of hydrogen. Energy we want. Energy we want means this is multiplied with Hc. This is the RH. This is the RH. RH into Hc multiply किया तो इधर H cancel, C cancel, then H square आते हैं ना. अरे dear students, understood? Any doubt? This is RH. RH into ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना. RH into HC. RH into HC means you will get this one only na. RH. H and H cancel. H square. C and C cancel. H square right. H square means 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon H square. Means RH. RH into HC. Then you have to first start. Any doubt? Dear students, understood or not?
Sir,
इधर h and h cancel, c and c cancel, h square रहते means 2 pi square m z square e power of 4 h square, which is nothing but what? E1. E1 equal to RH into HC. लिख सकते ना?
Yes, sir.
लिखो लिखो लिख के बाद चेक करो. Question number 30. According to Bohr's theory, energy is when an electron moves from lower to higher orbit. अरे lower to higher है तो energy क्या करते? Absorbing. Higher to lower energy releasing. Then what is the answer?
First option.
31. The basic assumption of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom is that of. Good question here. Basic assumption. Angular momentum of the electron is quantized. Orbit angular momentum of an electron is quantized. Then second one. 32. 32 बताओ ना, radius of nth orbit है. Radius of nth orbit formula. Direct formula हम discuss किया already.
First option.
First option. Radius of nth orbit m square h square by 4 pi square m z is. Energy of nth orbit formula. 33. Total energy of the electron in an orbit, one electron containing species is given by the expression.
Third.
Third option. Minus 2 pi square m z square e power of 4 upon n square h square. Okay, dear students, let me stop the session. Tomorrow we will continue.